Good morning, everyone. My name is Cynthia Iannaccone, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use pen and ink. Not marker, but traditional pen and ink. So I'm using Black Magic, Higgins Black Magic, and a drawing pen, or drawing dip nib. So you can see it's pointed. And this is a drawing that I did a while ago. So I'm just going back in and tracing some of the pencil lines, actually all of the pencil lines, with my ink. And I've started some of it so that you can see it, because it takes a long time and it's very relaxing. So, and the paper that I'm using is Canson Mixed Media. So you can't really get this paper super wet, but like with a dry brush, watercolor dry brush, or like pen and ink and marker is fine on this paper. It works really nicely. So these lines are called cross-hatching and stippling, and I teach this in my classes at the Memorial Art Gallery. I teach this type of work. You can do this with a brush in watercolor, but a fine brush, a pointed round is what they're called. So you can see my pen is starting to run out of ink. So just dip it again. And the reason why I like to do this, I've got something on there. If that happens, you want to take a tissue and just try to get that off the nib. Okay, start again. The reason why I like traditional pen and ink, your lines are so much more sensitive than if you were using a regular marker pen, a fine line marker pen. You can get a lot of quality out of your lines. So I am just going over all my pencil marks that I have here by what I call cross-hatching lines, which sometimes cross-hatching lines, you can create different values. Like if you cross-hatch, like here, you're going to get a darker value. And I'm using also stippling lines for the lighter values. When those are those little dots and short lines, that's called stippling. Now, if you're using Higgins pen and ink, well, the ink, it's a very corrosive ink, so you never want to leave it on your pen nib. You always want to rinse it off with water and then dry your pen nib. Otherwise, your pen nib will start to rust. So I'm going to show you in another video, after I get this all completed, how to add color if you wanted to add color. But I just love the line quality with a dip pen. It's fantastic. I do a lot of my illustration this way. Well, I was going to say, if there are any questions, you can leave a comment or a question, and I will answer it. Right underneath the video, there's a place to leave remarks. Okay, have a great day, and the next video I do, you'll see this completed, hopefully. All right, bye.